how to buy story token. So this token came under the symbol of IP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token is available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create one on MEXC account and fund with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund with some USDT, what you need to do is just go to this token page and copy the symbol of that token called IP. So after you copy it, go back to your MEXC account and hit in search and paste the symbol of that token. So after that, click on this pair. And after that, what you need to do, just click on buy here and select the limit. Here type how much you want to buy of that token. So wait a few seconds. As you can see, this token, it's not available now. It will be available by 7 hours ago. But after that, what you need to do, if this token is available, you can here set how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you will be paid with the USDT on your account, and click on buy IP. So if you select the market, you can drag it to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT that you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy IP. So this is how to buy IP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.